You might be wondering, why are IT companies always talking about fiber internet? Let's dive into how it's transforming businesses, and maybe you'll become a supporter too. Fiber uses light to transmit data, bypassing the limits of copper cabling. This leads to longer coverage distances, higher bandwidth, and unmatched reliability. Fiber networks are stable, reaching 99.99% reliability. Service level agreements guarantee this performance, ensuring your business stays connected. Fiber offers symmetrical upload and download speeds. This is crucial for businesses using cloud services and remote work, keeping productivity high. With fiber, you can opt for dedicated connections, ensuring top speed without competition. Plus, modern fiber setups easily integrate failover systems to keep your business online no matter what. With all these impressive benefits, switching to fiber internet is a clear decision for any business looking to increase their productivity and upgrade their internet. That's it for today's tech tip. If you have any questions or need help evaluating your fiber options, reach out to our team and we'll see you on the next one.